The structural integrity around the main joint looks compromised. Agreed. Check the hydraulic lines under the debris. Taking readings now. Look at the buildup on this manifold.
It's worse than we thought. Check the pressure readings here.
We'll need the high-pressure steam for this section.
Look at the corrosion on this roller. It's completely shot. We need to prioritize replacement. Noted. The track links are heavily corroded as well. I'm documenting the deterioration now. Hit that spot right there by the mounting bracket. Okay, I've got it. Watch the pressure on this joint. Did you get the upper bracket?
Almost there, just a bit more compound. This reflection is looking good. Start loosening the main bolts now. Okay, applying pressure. It's moving slowly. Watch the pins on the left side, ready for separation. Okay, lift on 3, ready?
Yeah, watch the console.
Clear. Bring her up another 10 feet. Steady, steady. Perfect. Set her down gently.
Clear the left side. Hoist up slowly. Watch the hydraulics.
Okay, disconnect the blue wire labeled C4. C4 disconnected, making sure the harness is secure.
Okay, last bolt is out. Are you clear on your side? Yes, clear. Guiding it down now.
Final harness disconnected. Okay, confirm the lift points are clear. Starting the hoist.
Okay, slow rotation to the left. Check the rear strap tension.
Tension holding steady at 90%. Command.
Roger that. Continue lift. Easy now.
All right, take the tension slowly. The pin is almost clear. Hold it there. Try the pry bar right there. Got it. Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, lift is clear. Move it left. Confirming clearance. Coming down now.
Ensure the alignment marks are visible before you detach the manifold.
Got it. I'll double check the manual.
Check the piston head surface finish. Reading at 10 microinches, well within spec.
All right, slowly bring it down. Watch the clearance on the right. Copy that. Coming down easy. Looks secure. Watch the sprocket clearance. Clear on this side. Send it down slowly.
Yep.
Okay, it's seated. Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment on the left side. Clear on this side. Looks good. Pins are engaged.